Hi guys, we are making a bean salad today. So the recipe for today is a bean salad. Butter beans, red kidney beans, French beans, okay? So we've got mange two beans here, and then we've got our sugar snaps, which is family. So this is a mint and green chili dressing. So some fresh mint leaves, green chili, a tablespoon of caster sugar, red wine vinegar, pinch of black pepper, olive oil. Okay, so there we go. Okay, we add a watermelon slice, our bean salad with that, some goat's cheese, so each person can just get a piece of goat's cheese.